How to make money online. 10 proven ways to make money online. 1. Start affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, partially because it's so accessible. All you need is a blog and a handful of affiliate marketing agreements with known brands whose products and services you want to sell. 2. Build a dropshipping business is a unique business model where you partner with product suppliers, manufacturers and shipping companies. 3. Do freelance work. Freelance work is more popular than ever, and for good reason. It's an excellent way to make some side income or work as a new full-time job. 4. Fill out online surveys. Online surveys are readily available and accessible on sites like SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks. On this site and others, you can complete online surveys for marketing brands and agencies seeking to take the public's pulse on various issues. 5. Work as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are knowledgeable professionals who act as digital secretaries for CEOs, managers and others. 6. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube offers creators a lot of potential, and many would-be creators and influencers have started their channels on this platform to earn money online. 7. Become a social media influencer. 8. Try online tutoring. If you have a degree in teaching, you'll find it easier to get clients as an online tutor, plus make the maximum amount of money possible. 9. Run a podcast. Podcasting is a popular means to earn money online, particularly for those who already have brands or a lot of followers of their online stores, blogs or other content. 10. Start an online store. Running an online store takes startup cash and a website, of course. Thanks for watching.